Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip5 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Display. Now scroll down again, select font size and style, and click on font style. Now you can apply one of the available styles right away by tapping on it. I will go with Gothic Bold, so when I click and go back, I can see that style of my text has changed. If you wish to, you can also go into exactly the same settings, but this time click on Download Fonts. Now select the best one for you, click on it and hit Install. Now you can tap on Apply button right away or go back and click on your new font over here. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my text has changed again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!